Welcome. If you want to keep up with the latest inspiration from creators Pinterest thinks you'll love, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow in-app notifications for suggested creators' pins on the Pinterest app for PC, following the new update. Let's get started. First, open up the Pinterest app on your computer. Log into your account and get ready to discover even more personalized recommendations. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. You'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Settings menu, where you can control how Pinterest keeps you updated. Inside Settings, scroll through the options and select Notifications. This section allows you to fine-tune exactly which updates you want to get from Pinterest, so your experience fits your interests. Now here's the crucial part. Find the section labeled Activity from Creators. Beneath this, you'll spot the option New Pins from creators you might like. This is where you decide if you want to receive in-app notifications every time Pinterest suggests pins from new creators that match your taste. To enable this feature, simply make sure the in-app switch is turned on. This means Pinterest will notify you directly inside the app whenever there's fresh content from recommended creators, so you're always the first to see inspiring new pins. Don't forget the last step. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This ensures your changes are locked in, and you'll immediately start getting tailored updates right in your notification center. With these settings, you'll never miss out on creative ideas curated just for you. Enjoy a Pinterest feed that's not only inspiring but also effortlessly aligned with your unique interests. Thanks for watching.